So now let's see what's in the ProBuilder and ProGrid. As you can see, I've already opened Unity, and the way you do that is go to your Unity hub over here, and you also might notice that I have not actually added, I've selected a template. So we go to new here, I'm using 2019, and we can select, where is that thing? Yes, I selected 3D with extras and did create. So I did it like that, and that's why you have this thing already. I'm just gonna delete the example assets, and so now let's get to work with ProBuilder. Also, in our camera, there's a simple camera controller. I'm gonna keep that for now. And in the post-processing volume, going to go into motion blur. No, I'm actually gonna delete the motion blur because yeah, it seems to be I don't really like motion blur for some reason, because yeah, it gives a lot of blur when you move. So first we need to go to Window, Package Manager, and you have to select Show Preview Packages here once it comes. Yes. Yeah, so go to Advanced Show Preview Packages, and then you can just search Pro, and then it will come. ProBuilder, so you click install, and yeah. So as you can see, ProBuilder is done, and once you get that, you get a tools thing and ProBuilder, and you can open ProBuilder window. And we also want to install ProGrids because it's cool. So ProBuilder is also done. If you go to tools, you'll see ProGrids. ProGrids is done, so ProGrids and ProBuilder window is there. That is cool. Yeah. So so now what we're going to do is we are going to go to, first I'm going to just maximize, and the way I did it is like hover my mouse over here and do shift space, and then you go to tools, ProBuilder and ProBuilder window. And if you're not getting this thing which is ProGrids, you just need to go to ProGrids window. And I'm going to use icon mode over here because I'm comfortable with that. And I'm just going to make this cool. And now if we just click on the U shape tool, it generates a ProBuilder cube. This is really cool. And I'm just going to disable fog. So go to window, rendering, lighting settings, and fog, go away. Yeah, so that's now there's no fog. So now we have a ProBuilder cube, and we need to start like modeling this cube. So first we go to the vertex one, and if you see, if we click on any vertex, we can just move the vertexes like that. And I'm just gonna turn off snapping here, and we can also click edges and move them like that, and the same thing for faces. So this is pretty cool, but we need to create an amazing level. So I'm gonna delete this cube, and if we go alt on this new shape tool, it won't generate a cube like this. I've just like done this in my other projects. It'll probably generate a cube like this, and we need to scale this up a bit. So this is gonna be the base of our level. We can make this 50 and 50 here, so it's more like a ground now. And just put build, and woohoo, okay. I'm gonna turn on snapping now, and now actually I'm gonna turn it off. So first I'm gonna select this edge and press this button, insert edge loop, and this will insert an edge loop all over our thing. So I'll go here and here, and we can just position this like here, and I'm going to do the same for this. So insert edge loop, and we can make like, I'm just making a staircase over here. So staircase up, and then some stuff there, and then we can Yeah, so then we go to face, and then we can select this face, and then we can hit this bottom. Don't want that. We can just press that button and we can scale this. This is pretty cool, but I actually want like a slope or something. So what do we do? I'm just undoing that with Control Z or Command Z. If you are in a Mac, and I'm going to select this edge with the edge tool. I'm just going to make this go up. So, whoo, we got a thing there. So now I'm gonna make this a bit more cool, so I'm actually gonna scale this up a bit, just a little bit like that, and then we get this and we put this over here, so we make it go like that, maybe like that, and then we select this and we scale it up just a little bit like that, and we just do this over like so it becomes like a staircase. And there's a better way you can do this, but I'm just gonna show you this way. So if you don't want to waste this much time doing this, there's a better way. So we can just go alt in this and select it as stairs. So yeah, stair is cool, and we can just put that, and we can just select this is the object mode. This is object, this is vertex, this is edge, and this is face. So we go here and we can just put this like around there, and we're going to turn on snapping and we just rotate this. Notice that when I turn on snapping and when I move, it actually snaps. It's pretty handy, and we can put this something like that. That is pretty cool. I'm actually gonna delete this. I need to do an extra thing. We can just make the steps go down a bit. Yeah, this looks good. And the height go up, and the depth can go like a bit like that. Width, we can make the width like I'm gonna position this here, and we'll just make the width a bit bigger, big. Yeah, I think that's cool. Yeah, that's really cool. And then we can just select build, and we move it a bit here, and then we just rotate this. Ooh, yes. And I'm going to turn off snapping, and I'm going to put it a bit like that. And as you can see, there's a little bit gap over here, so we can move it up like that. And here also there's a little bit gap, so I'm gonna go to face, and then I'm gonna select literally all the faces here. Like that. So I'm gonna take all the faces here. And these also. Not that. This, and this. And you can just hit the extrude button, and yeah. So this is filled our edges a bit. Yep, now it's fine. Now we have created a star. Yeah, we have created a star. And I'm going to go here, and as you can see, I'm going to make a loop right over here. So we're gonna edge this. I'm gonna make it exactly go over there. And we're gonna take our face and just make it go here like that. Yeah, that's cool. And I'm gonna create a bit of a hole over here, so we can do that like a swimming pool type of thing. I don't know. So we make this like that, and we are gonna put this here. No, I'm gonna no, yeah. What do we? Yeah, so we take these and put it here. this. Now put it here, and then now I'm going to just extrude and make it go down, so it becomes kind of like a whole thing here. And I'm actually gonna make it more down. I want like a cave over there or something like that. So we make it even more down, then let's make a door. So for that I'm going to do this. No, not that. Here and move. And I'm gonna do an edge loop here. And I'm gonna change this code here. This one here. And now we have an area that we can make it. Now I'm gonna also cut the top part here. So how do we do that? We make a thing like this and make it go like that. So we have a door, proper door, and we extrude it and we can just make it go like that. Now as you can see, we have made a couple of mistakes here. First we can delete this face, just holding the backspace, not the delete key. So then we can probably delete this face and this face. So now as you can see, this kind of stuck over here, like outside over here, it is kind of like that. So the fix, what we need to do is we need to make this go a bit more higher. First we can just edge this a bit. Yeah, that is great. Now we've got kind of like a, I don't know what this is. So now we need to make some levels. So first I'm going to make like a frame. So I'm going to put this here. And let's make an arch. So this is kind of looking like a seaport to me. Not really sure. And we can also scale this a bit more, like that. And we can make like a bridge over here. So I can make this go here, this go here. There's a lot of varieties you can make with ProBuilder. I'm just showing you. I don't really know what this is, but yeah, I'm just showing you. So what you can do with ProBuilder. So now, as I said, this is a seaport. I'm gonna make some cylinders like that, and we get the water next. Okay, so water is cool. So I like water. And mostly when I make terrains, it doesn't go that good. I don't know why. So I'm going to make this go down. The number of sides should be 48. Yeah, that'll be good. And height segments. What is this? Smooth. Smooth. I want it to be smooth and just create build. Not no. Yeah, done. We are done. Yes. And we can just put this down here. A bit more like that. And I'm gonna duplicate this and put it here, duplicate this and put it here. Yeah, so now we kind of like have a thing here, and over here I think we can create another land, but we'll do that later. And we have a staircase, so first let's make this area. So I'm gonna make like a wall here and a passageway going there and a door up here. So that'll be really cool. So first a wall. So we got this and we'll scale this like up like that, and we need a door here and we need another wall. I mean like a wall here. So I'm actually gonna extrude this a bit because I don't want this area to be too much like that. So I'm going to make it like this and which one do we do? Yeah, this, and then and we just place it right about there and extrude these two faces. So bloop, and as you can also see, I've left some parts, so I should not actually extrude that. Just extrude this, and we need to match the height of this, so we can make it go a bit up. Yeah, I think that is no. Oh, yeah, I think that's cool. And now whoa, what happened? Now we can create a roof also over here, and of course a wall here. Or we can leave it and make another thing there, and we'll do that. So we can which one? So we can make this. No, is that gonna work? I don't think so. Yeah, I think it would. Yeah, it would. So I think this is not exactly the center, but yeah, so we'll make it go like that. And we need a wall here also. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do that. I'm going to position this all the way here. And then we can create a wall. So a wall that goes all the way here. Yeah, and these two things also. Just this exactly right. Yep, yeah, I think this is cool. And now what we can do is I'm gonna take this, insert edge loop, and I'm gonna take this all the way up like that. And I'm going to bloop that and push it all the way here. So I can do a little bit thing here. Yeah, now it's fine. So now we have a little bit of a inside space, and I think we can make a wall over here also. So I think we'll do that here. We're gonna extrude everything, and I'm selecting all of these by holding Control or Command if you're on the Mac, and I'm gonna extrude this bit like that. Now we can select all of these. And we extrude those. So yeah, come something like that. That's cool. Yeah, this is cool. And we can also make a first person controller over here, and I'm also gonna do that, but a bit later. And I'm going to extrude these and also make a wall for that, and put it all the way up here. And then I'm gonna extrude this also and put it all the way here. So we can also make kind of like an arch thing over here, and that'll also be kind of cool, but I don't think so we have this much space for that, so very less. And still that this is really cool. So we also need to make a wall over here, and as of now I think it's coming cool. So we can go in here, and we need of course more things here, and we can make that here. Yeah, that was also good. Oh, this is also left. I think we should have not done the edge loop there. We could have just continued here. Yeah, yeah. Now we got the walls. We can also make something here. And I'm gonna put this bit more down. And if you want, we can even put glass here. And I really like glass. I've actually done it only once. So I don't know if I'm gonna do it right over here also. So I'm gonna make a normal cube, not a ProBuilder cube, normal cube. Just a bit down and make it a bit up. Mm. So I think we'll use this. Now I have to cut this part, okay? Ah. Yeah, so we'll I think we'll make it go here. And yeah, so this is pretty cool. And now we just do shift space again. I'm gonna close that. And what do we do? So over here we go into materials. And here's the skybox mat. So ooh. Ah. So we do create and then we go material. I'm just gonna name this glass. Glass. And I'm gonna put glass on my glass. Does that make any sense? No. So, and then we make it opaque to transparent, and you already see the magic. Yay! Not a glass at all. So, next, what do we do? Yeah, just the smoothness. Yeah. What do we actually do? Forgot. Hmm. So what do we do for the glass is we go to glass and we already apply glass on glass and change it to transparent. Then we need to go to albedo, select this and you see this air thing. We need to make this all the way down here and now yeah, now you can't even see this thing. So we can adjust the smoothness of it and the metallicness of it. Yeah, does that look like a glass to you? I don't really know. We can change the color. Oh yeah, we can do that. I never knew we could do that. It did not work when I did it first. White glass. Yeah, white glass looks pretty cool. I don't know about you guys, but yeah. So I'm gonna make it sort of like green because I like green and green is always cool. Or I'll make it a yellow plus green with green blue. So because we are of course in a seaport, right? And you. So now we have a glass. Now I'm gonna put this glass over here also. Oh, we got a bit of a problem there. So before putting the glass, the tools ProBuilder window. I'm going to take these and these and kind of scale this up a bit. So yeah, I scaled it up. That's all I have to do. So I'll make it go here. Make this go here. It's all about the detailing, dudes. And here, and here. Why am I telling here so much times? Up, down. Yeah, I think we have a glass again. And I'm gonna duplicate this glass. The glass one. I'm gonna put glass one on glass. And I'm gonna change glass one to kind of like white. What? Ooh. I did not duplicate it. Yeah. Yeah, you see the glass from here. Yeah, that's pretty good. Now, we can do the same for windows, but first let's go here. And what do we do here? So, I don't really know what to do, but I think we'll create a second floor. A staircase leading there, but the first floor looks very plain. So, what do we do? I don't know what to do, but let's just see. Think we can make a stairwell or something? Yeah, I think we can do that. Yeah, I can think we can place a star here. Star, 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 where star, E, star. There's a big boy over here, and I'm gonna rotate it here, and I'm gonna put it here. And why am I saying here? And I'm going to put it there. This is there. I think we can put the height of it down because the height doesn't need to be too much. And we can put it a bit here. And just select build. So easy. Yeah, I think that's cool. Again, we can also put this a lot of edges. Yeah, I think we are done that. We can create some spots here also. So we now created a star here, and we can also, I think I got this idea right now. We can create like a, what do you say, another room that leads here, and it leads here also, but it's like a room here. So I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna make an edge loop here. I'm like a giant door because it's gonna be an awesome room. So I'm gonna make this go here, and as you can see, if you look outside, it looks a bit wanky. So we can delete this face first, and we can focus on the room first. So I'm going to extrude this and extrude this. So it becomes like a big boy room. And since this is a seaport or something, I think I can make a area that leads all the way to the ocean. That would be really cool with 2 glasses. So you can see the fish. And yeah, you can see the fish. And I want to no, not like that. Yeah, so I'm gonna make this go up. Yeah, so just like that. Gonna delete this face, and from the outside, oh, that face is deleted already. Thank you. And I'm gonna take the amazing glass. I really like the way the glass came, and I'm gonna put this. Uh, I'm just getting the glass to be down here. Yeah, that's cool. And maybe we can change the color of this. So, yeah, look at that. And glass too can have sort of like a blue color. Ooh, ah, mm, yeah, yeah. And actually, I'm gonna pause the video. I got this glasses finished. I made 3 glasses and I doorway to the water over here, and that's cool now. So yeah, and we need to add some details in this room also because now it's completely plain. And so first, I'm gonna make the second floor now. Really excited for that. Maximize this boy. Oh God! Look at it. Ah! 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 Anyway, okay, let's put this here. I love the depth, of course. The depth is the one who is blue. Okay, stop playing it. And we put this here, and put this here, and yeah, okay, some things around. What's going on? I did not do it right, so I think we can have the entry to the to the second floor somewhere else. We put it kind of like in the side. Will that be a good idea, dude? I think that would be a good idea, actually. So I'll place it all the way here. I'll go blue like that, and blue like here, and blue here. Now, create a new one. So, yeah, I did some magic there, of course. And the way I did that is basically, I'll get this right. 1 second. No! Why don't you listen? Oh, great. And yeah, so basically I just went over here and did Control Shift F, and yeah, and you can do Command Shift F. I don't know if Shift is there in Mac. Yeah, Shift is there. I don't know. I think it's there. Yeah, so Command Shift F in Mac. Oh, this looks like a spiral staircase. No curvature. We can only do that. We can't create another high staircase. Why is it like that? I think we should be able to do. But anyway, we can just do something like that and put another staircase here. And cool, that also is kind of cool. Control Shift F and blue loop. We're gonna lower the height down. Yeah, I think that's good. And we can make this here, close there. Oh, come on. No! Yeah, I think that's very, very cool. That amazing staircase. Think we can do a bit of a edge loop here also. Yeah, I think that is very cool. Can we cut off like this? Will that be nice? Yeah, that looks also good. Oh, yeah. I think we can fill that up a bit. And since our character is a bit small, I think smaller than this. Now, is it? Let me just see. Because our capsule boy is going to be our player. Yeah, capsule is way smaller. Oh, I think these are kind of like a big staircases then. Because capsule boy is like this. You'll be viewing it like this, and you should be viewing it like this. Actually, so I think we can just go. Yeah, this is how this boy should be viewing the entire area like this. Yeah, like exactly like this. So we can keep it like that for now. The guy and what we are going to do. Think of skill. Not a good idea. So, yeah, there's a wall over here, so you can't see that. And you need a way to enter this area. Of course. How do you enter? Oh, by the door. First by the door. I think this area looks pretty cool, actually. But not without the second floor loot. And so, uh, oh, come on. gonna build this thing and we're gonna place this turn snapping on. It's much easier to snap. And also I'm gonna scale down this. Okay, so the all digestive. Uh, yeah, that's good. I think I'll just move the entire thing. I'm just gonna look here. You gotta delete every single place here. Loop. Of course, there's a problem here. So I'll fix for that. You can take all of these. Of course, we can add some kind of lighting over here, but for now it's looking cool. I think the place is a bit too much massive, so I think you can probably just put this. Yeah, I think that is fine. Can of course delete that, and from here also. So first, now not first. We have a staircase to the second floor. Now second floor also needs walls, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So I've quickly done the walls. And also a quick room over here. I can make the door for that. So we can just make a door here. Now, yeah. I think we'll scale these two things up a bit, and we'll make a floor here. Yeah, we made a floor. We made an amazing floor. No, we did not make a floor. We did not make a floor. Yeah, I think we did. So we made a room, and doesn't look like we made a room yet. Still didn't make a room. I think I will scale these things up. What? I think. Why is it not working? So I think we finished it. So just last touch, touch. Yeah, we're done at last. Woo, we're done. So I think we also need to correct this a bit because it looks kind of wank from here. I can just see from here. We don't need to put that, but still we can see this. So I think we'll cover it like that. Yep. So we'll do something like that. And something like that. Put it here. I can put these glasses also. And I'll cover up this whole place. Oh, yeah. The goal. We'll do the same for this side. So we edge. Oh, come on. Yeah, we can still see this. So I think we can make the down thing. How do we do that? And then we can take this and loop it all over the place. This is just basically like a cover, so it doesn't seem so bad. It doesn't look so bad in the inside also. Yeah, actually it doesn't look very bad. No, I forgot to do this. Yes, we finally have a seaport. Does this look like a seaport? I think it does. I'm not really sure. I'll build another thing here. We think we will do this. Yes, sir. It kind of looks like a seaport now. Yeah, it looks like a seaport. Cool. Finally, we need to make a door here. Yeah, yeah, it surely looks like a seaport now, I think. Yeah, so we can have a look inside. Can go in staircase. Review. And yeah, then we can go here and out here. We can go here. We can, yeah, and we can make it here. Can also go here and that leads us to here. And from here we can go all the way down to this place. We can add more stuff, but for now, I think it looks very cool. No! So, bye guys.